what would the tinkling bells direct to? I wonder if it's possible for a period of time to choose a more simplified path with your business. And again, we're just playing here with ideas for a moment. But I'm getting this vision of what if there's only one program that you focus on and everybody knows the three other programs and maybe the one that you're phasing out. Maybe you announce, hey, there's this one last time that it's going to happen, and it won't happen again till fall of 2023, because for the next year, I'm only focusing on one program, one lead magnet, one whatever. And even though the other ones are great, just giving yourself the solo focus in that area to trim some of it down and put all in on that. How would that feel?
Scary.
Yeah. Is it because you feel like you're either going to let people down?